Bruce from Safari, and we're in front of an LC79 here belonging to Everyman's. And if you haven't heard of Everyman's, it's a registered charity that supports the Defence Force. And we're going to meet Ben and Richard here now and have a chat to them. How are you guys today?
Thank you.
Now, you've put a lot of power in here. Let's have a quick look. We've got two big lithium batteries. We've got a Scotty. We're going to look at the inverter charger, hot water. You're running a microwave freezer. Why have you put so much power in the truck?
Yeah, it's a good question. So Everyman's is an organisation. The full name is Everyman's Welfare Service. So we provide welfare for the Australian Defence Force and our veteran community. Been going since 1940, so we've been around for a long time. Staffed by ex-serving defence members and also those who are just volunteers. So we're all volunteer based. But we use these trucks to go and serve our soldiers, our men and women out in the bush, the army, but we also do see Air Force and Navy out there sometimes. On that exercise, there was about 35,000 troops involved.
So let me ask you a question. No other beverages, no alcohol you serve as well?
No alcohol, no. Much to the dismay of the troops. We give these vehicles a real thrashing.
The draw on the battery system is huge. When the guys are lined up 100 deep for a pie or a sausage roll, that microwave, it'll crank for 6 hours straight. And that's why we've come to you, Bruce, is because we need something that's going to last 6 hours out bush, cranking and more, cranking that microwave, freezer on, fridge running.
And the hot water.
And the hot water. We've approached many different other companies who say they may be able to supply that, but I found that Safari, Bruce, yourself, I'm just totally amazed at this system.
Because we do find ourselves in situations where, we've got soldiers out there, they've been out there for weeks, and they come up to us, they want a pie or a sausage roll, and when under our old systems, we run out of power. And we have to say, sorry guys, we have to shut down, we've run out of power, So we think, and we're very confident that your system is going to be able to continuously go and be able to serve every single last one of them.
Well, so what we've put in here, the secret in it is we've got the Scotty at the top there that's replenishing, and that's getting 1500 watts coming in. We've got two of these bigger batteries in here, which are a total there of 10 kilowatt hours. We've got a freezer, we've got the fridge running. If we walk around the back here, I like all the badges here, guys. You've got a coffee machine there, that's about 1600 watts. We've got the hot water here coming out, that's for the hot tea and the instant coffee. Look at more badges here. And then we've got the drawer fridge, we've got up here the microwave. And then Ben's pulling out, this is quite a significant freezer that you've got here that drops down. And then behind here, we've got the 5000 inverter, so it's big. You see our main switchboard there, and we've got the fuses down below. So that's all neatly tucked in up on the front board there, and that's a huge amount of power. That will run this truck all day, no problem at all. 400 watts of solar on the roof, as well as the Scotty, so your replenishment power is good.
People can check us out on our social media, on Facebook, Everyman's Welfare Service, or our website, everymans.org.au or everyvets.org.au.
Thanks very much, guys, and thanks for your business.
We appreciate all the help.
It's a pleasure, and how good's that?
Really good.